New developments tonight in the lawsuit against the Starpoint Central School District that was filed by an attorney for one of the current board members. Good evening, I'm Mary Alice Demler.
And hello everyone, I'm Scott Levin. This lawsuit was filed after two students on the wrestling team were removed from school after a sexual harassment claim was filed against them. 2 News' size Nate Benson joins us tonight. He's in our newsroom with what we just learned about that lawsuit, right Nate?
Yeah, Scott and Mary Alice, I spoke to the attorney representing one of the parent of one of the students for the Starpoint wrestling team that was removed from school last month. He says the district still hasn't explained why that student was removed from school. Last month, we reported that 2 students were removed by the Starpoint Central School District because they allegedly posed an immediate threat to physical health and safety of students arising from allegations of sexual harassment. The 2 students were members of the wrestling team that had their season canceled after allegations of misconduct. Attorney Angelo DeMillo says that the district hasn't specified what the allegation is.
We have asked repeatedly since February 7th to tell us what my client's son has done that would raise an imminent physical threat to another student. They have yet to tell us that, so it's a very narrow issue.
DeMillo filed a lawsuit against the district on February 28th and was scheduled for a hearing in Niagara County Supreme Court on March 9th.
The day before, which would have been March 8th, the district filed a notice to remove the matter to federal court.
DeMillo says the district hasn't given a reason for the request for a change of venue, but he suspects
the allegation is that there's an issue of a federal issue regarding Title IX. I think that's the basis for the notice to remove. I disagree with the notice to remove, so let me start with that. The County Supreme Court could certainly handle it. The issue is very, very narrow. They have not been able to tell us that. They just simply tell us they're following Title IX, and in my opinion, they're dodging the issue.
The district said that the Niagara County Sheriff's Office has been conducting an investigation into the allegations against members of the wrestling team. But DeMillo says,
my client has not been interviewed, and my client has never been interviewed by the school district as well. So we don't know what they're doing actually, and my clients have the right to know why their son was removed from school property. And if they're saying it's an imminent physical threat, tell us what my client's son has done.
DeMillo says he's expecting a decision by the federal court by the end of the week. I reached out to the Starpoint Central School District for a comment, but did not get a response. In the newsroom, Nate Benson, Channel 2 News.